The biggest Insta360 X6 leak yet may have just revealed almost everything before the official launch. If you've been waiting to see whether the X6 is worth upgrading to, these new images could answer almost every question. We're not talking about blurry renders or vague rumors this time. This latest leak appears to show retail-ready packaging, the complete essentials bundle, detailed hardware comparisons, impressive battery improvements, and even the possible launch price. If these details are accurate, the Insta360 X6 could become one of the biggest 360 camera upgrades we've seen in years. The first thing that immediately stands out is the retail packaging itself. The front of the box officially confirms the product name as the Insta360 X6 8K 360 camera, giving us another strong indication that Insta360 is preparing for launch very soon. More importantly, the side of the packaging highlights three major selling points that could make this camera a serious leap over the previous generation. The first feature is Pure Video Mode, which promises much better low-light performance for nighttime shooting and challenging lighting conditions. The second feature is perhaps the biggest surprise of the entire leak. According to the packaging, the Insta360 X6 can record up to an incredible 140 minutes of continuous 8K 30 frames per second 360 video. That's a massive improvement compared to the Insta360 X5, which officially offers up to 93 minutes of 8K 30 frames per second recording with its standard battery, or up to 115 minutes in its endurance recording mode. If these numbers hold true, the X6 delivers roughly 47 extra minutes of 8K recording, making it a huge upgrade for travelers, creators, and anyone filming long adventures without constantly swapping batteries. The third highlighted feature is Replaceable Lenses 2.0, suggesting Insta360 has further improved the durability and repairability of its flagship 360 camera. Considering how easily 360 camera lenses can get scratched during outdoor use, this is another welcome upgrade. Turning to the back of the retail box, we finally get a complete look at what's included inside the Essentials bundle. Along with the Insta360 X6 itself, buyers appear to receive an extra extreme battery, a 114cm invisible selfie stick, a charging case, USB-C cable, lens cap, protective pouch, cleaning cloth, and a quick start guide. Interestingly, the packaging also mentions an extended warranty, hinting that Insta360 may include an additional year of protection with this bundle. Another exciting part of the leak comes from several real-world comparison photos. When placed beside the Insta360 X5, the design changes become much easier to notice. Instead of simply making the camera thinner, Insta360 appears to have redesigned the body to be shorter and more compact, while still keeping its large dual lenses. That means better portability without sacrificing image quality, making the X6 easier to slip into a pocket or carry on everyday adventures. Another comparison shows the X6 sitting next to a GoPro-style 360 camera, and the size difference is immediately noticeable. The X6 looks significantly smaller, while still maintaining its premium dual-lens design, showing just how far compact 360 camera technology has evolved. Perhaps the most exciting discovery is the camera interface shown on the front of the packaging. It appears to display 8K at 50 frames per second, something we've never seen before on an Insta360 camera. If this turns out to be real, users could enjoy much smoother footage along with high-quality slow-motion playback while maintaining stunning 8K resolution. That would represent one of the biggest performance upgrades over the X5's current 8K 30 frames per second limit. Finally, there's pricing. One leak suggests the standard Insta360 X6 could launch at around €689, while the Essentials bundle may cost approximately €789. That's about a €100 increase over the previous generation, but considering the larger battery, improved recording time, redesigned body, and potential 8K 50 frames per second recording, many users may find the upgrade worthwhile. While Insta360 has yet to officially confirm these details, this is easily one of the most convincing leaks we've seen so far. Everything points toward a product that's nearly ready for launch. Now the question is, will the Insta360 X6 become the new king of 360 cameras? Or is there still one big surprise Insta360 is keeping secret? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe because I'll be bringing you every new Insta360 X6 update the moment it happens.